Are you looking for the best drill presses in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best drill presses that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Wen 8-in 5-speed drill press. This 5-speed drill press is powered by a 1/3 of a horsepower motor and comes with a 6.5 by 6.5 inch adjustable work surface. The 1/2 inch chuck has its own storage slot, so you know where it is at all times. The locking feature allows you to drill many holes at the same depth. The whole unit measures 7.5 by 22.9 by 11 inches. At number 4, Wen 12-inch variable speed drill press. You get a 2/3 of a horsepower motor with this 13.5 by 36.6 by 16.8 inch drill press. The speeds range between 580-3200 rpms and you work off a 9.5 by 9.5 adjustable table. The table also adjusts to up to 45 degrees either way. You also get a 5/8 inch chuck and tools to help assemble the drill press. At number 3, Genesis Chapter 10, 5-speed 4.1 amp drill press. You won't miss the bright green handles on this 4.1 amp drill press. 5 speeds and 360-degree table rotation, with 45-degree angle adjustment help, make this a good drill press. An added feature is the work light. You can see what you are working on. A 5/8 chuck keeps your drill bits locked into place. It measures 23.2 by 16.9 by 10.4 inches. At number 2, Delta 18-900L 18-inch laser drill press. At 59 by 30.5 by 13 inches, this drill press is a floor model. Its 18-inch throw is accompanied by 16 speeds and extra-large adjustable, 3-way tilt, work table. The 3/4 of a horsepower motor is belt-driven and has an LED light feature to light up the work area. This drill press is also backed by a 5-year warranty. At number 1, ShopFox 13-inch bench top drill press. The unique feature of this drill press is that it comes with a 3-piece spindle sander. You can smooth out your project with ease. Then the 23 by 14 by 38 inch drill press is powered by a 3/4 of a horsepower motor and has 12 speeds. A dust collection unit for the sander is also included in this package. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.